Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here, and I want to thank you for stopping by my channel today. I really appreciate that. And if this is your first time here, you've been missing out on a lot of good goodies, my friend. So I invite you now, before we go any further, go ahead and click on the subscribe button below, right there. Go ahead and do it now so you won't forget. And then click on the bell. That way you'll get notified every time I put out a new video. And I do videos on how to help you make money online, and I put them out pretty regularly, so you don't want to miss out. So go ahead and click on that button. So I was asked this question the other day, and I thought it'd be good to respond in a video. And someone asked me, why was I working several businesses? Okay. Why am I marketing several programs? Why am I not focusing on one program? Good question. So I want to talk today about the 3 programs that make up the backbone of my affiliate marketing and my network marketing business, and how they really tie in together with the platform that I use. So the 3 are Nexus Rewards, LiveGood, and the Prosperity Marketing System. And I'm going to tell you, these 3 programs really work together seamlessly. And I'm here to share why I combine them and how they can create a powerful income producing system, not just for me, but also for you. So let me quickly break down each program and what makes it stand out. So first, let's talk about Nexus Rewards. It's all about saving money and getting cash back, discounts, and things on your everyday purchases. Also on your monthly bills. It's a great network marketing company because it offers tools and benefits that appeal to just about anyone looking to stretch their dollar, and save money, while building a business at the same time and getting potential of a lucrative income. With the climate that we're in now, with inflation and all that, who doesn't want to save money, right? And if you're going to save, why not make money at the same time with it, right? Okay. So that's Nexus Rewards. LiveGood. LiveGood ought to be in the Hall of Fame, okay? Because it really is a game changer in the health and wellness space. Not only does it provide affordable, high-quality products, like supplements and skincare and things like that, but it also has an innovative business model that's disrupting traditional MLMs. So many network marketing companies are patterning themselves off of what LiveGood set up, and many in the beginning were saying it'll never work. But yeah, LiveGood's 1.5 million strong and growing. All right, so it's a great company. And then the third one is Prosperity Marketing System, and it ties the other 2 together. It's my go-to. Prosperity Marketing System is my go-to marketing platform for promoting both Nexus Rewards and LiveGood, as well as other programs that I have in my portfolio. PMS gives you tools and strategies to build your team, and that's what network marketing is all about, is team building, right? And so it helps to build your team, it helps you to market effectively, and also you can earn a solid residual income from that. We're talking 6 figures, okay? So how do these 3 programs fit together like puzzle pieces, right? Because they're the same, but they're different, right? So one, let's talk about building a shared audience. Both Nexus Rewards and LiveGood appeal to people looking to save money, as well as improve their health and earn income. And so by promoting them together, you can reach a shared audience that has overlapping interests, right? And then cross-promoting through PMS, Prosperity Marketing System. I mean, the Prosperity Marketing System is a key tool in my strategy, honestly. First of all, it provides a customizable funnel where I can showcase Nexus Rewards. I can showcase LiveGood to all my leads. Yeah, I can use one link and promote those two primary programs of mine to my leads, as well as any other programs that I want to put in there, traffic, things. And I'll tell you, it's really like having a virtual assistant that works 24/7 to introduce prospects to my business opportunities. All right, so they complement each other. I mean, Nexus Rewards gets people excited about saving money and making passive income. LiveGood provides physical and financial wellness, attracting customers who value quality and affordability. And then your Prosperity Marketing System equips me with the marketing power I need to grow both businesses and help my team do the same. Because when someone joins Prosperity Marketing System, it's an easy guide, way to guide them toward the other two because they naturally complement each other. And so in PMS, I have a bunch of training that evolves around the two primary programs. It evolves around marketing in general, okay, help you make money online. So here's why these three together is so effective. First of all, you're getting multiple streams of income. And, instead of relying on one program, I'm building multiple streams of income. And this adds stability and increases my earning potential. It has a diversified appeal. By offering programs that focus on savings, health, and marketing tools, I can meet a variety of needs and attract a wide audience. Right? And then I want to say the synergy for my team, because it's not just about me. It's about helping my team to succeed. And so when they use Prosperity Marketing System, they can promote Nexus Rewards, they can promote LiveGood like I do, or any other program they're passionate about. I mean, it's a win-win. Plus, they're getting all the training that's exclusive to our team. They're getting the resources that are exclusive to our team, and they're getting top-notch support from me as well as other team leaders. So if you're serious about building substantial and sustainable online business, I encourage you to check out all three of these programs. You actually can join all three for free, okay, and check them out. And then you can decide to upgrade, from that standpoint. So here's what you can do next. I say join Nexus Rewards so you can start saving and earning on everyday purchases. Sign up with LiveGood for high quality wellness products and a powerful business opportunity. I mean, this is not a video about LiveGood specifically, but I will tell you the products are awesome. They've made a big difference in my life. And of course, everybody's situation is different. But, before I started with LiveGood, I was taking 5 different pills for my blood pressure. And as a result of, and one of those pills I was taking twice a day. Okay. As a result of LiveGood, I'm down to 3 now. Okay. And my doctors couldn't believe that I stopped taking some of them and how well it was going with my blood pressure. All right. So definitely I recommend sign up for LiveGood so you get the high quality products that are available there. And then leverage Prosperity Marketing System. Leverage it to market those 2 programs and anything else effectively and consistently. I've added links in the description below to help you get started. And remember, the key to success isn't just working hard, but it's working smart. And with Nexus Rewards, LiveGood, and Prosperity Marketing System, you'll have everything you need. Everything you need to build up, because in prosperity, There's even built-in traffic. There's all kinds of ways to generate traffic for your businesses. So by using those two businesses and using Prosperity Marketing System as a tool to market those businesses, it really is everything you need to build a profitable and sustainable business. And with Prosperity Marketing System, it is $12 a month. But the cool thing is you make 100% commission. So if you refer one paid member, then your fee for Prosperity Marketing System is already covered. And then everything after that is gravy, right? So this really is a win-win. So that's why I promote multiple income streams, because they fit together, right? They're not competing against each other. Nexus does not compete against LiveGood. LiveGood does not compete against Prosperity Marketing System. Prosperity System. They all supplement each other. Okay? So hopefully that gives you a good idea of why I do the three programs, promote the three programs from that standpoint. So thank you for watching. And hopefully you did get something out of the video today. I mean, I really hope you did. In my way of explaining how you can tie these three together and really build yourself a lucrative monthly recurring income. All right. If you did get something out of this business today, I really would appreciate if you click on the like button. Okay, that helps me out. I'll be honest with you. When you click on the like button, it tells YouTube that people value my video. Okay, so do me a favor and do that. Also comment. I love comments, good, bad, or indifferent. I do respond to them. All right. And as I mentioned earlier, if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. But you don't want to miss out on any good goodies that I put out. So click on the subscribe button. All right. And click on the bell. That way you get notified every time I have a new video that comes out. I try to put out 1 or 2 videos a week on a regular basis, sometimes more. Okay? So that's it, my friends. Again, I thank you for stopping by. I will see you in the next video, and you have a fox-tastic day.